fun folded mini book. Make your own teeny tiny book. You'll need a piece of paper, scissors. Step 1. Fold the piece of paper in half, left to right. Step 2. Fold it in half again, top to bottom. Step 3. Repeat step 2, then unfold the paper. You will have 8 rectangles. Step 4. Fold the paper in half, bottom to top. Step 5. Cut a slit halfway through the paper along the crease. Step 6. Open the paper and fold it so the long side and the slit are facing you. Step 7. Stand the paper up so the slit is at the top. Step 8. Hold the right and left sides. Push them toward the center. Step 9. Fold the pages down to form a book. You'll have 8 pages, including the front and back covers. Tip: add a cute face to your book cover. Happy folding!